Welcome to another video by Abron Exports. This is a balance of 5 kg capacity or 5000 grams or 10 milligrams is the 10 milligrams accuracy of 0.01 gram. This is very easy. There is one leveling here, levels are there. The bubble should be in the center, almost close to the scale. On the back side there is a printer output and power supply adapter we have provided. And when you put it on table, you switch it on, then it tells you kg, ounce and other possibilities. 5000 grams, 0.1 gram, users 5, and then it becomes automatically 0. And now if you put anything, any weight, let us say I put it this, it becomes 1.36 gram. I can take out, and then this printing can press. If you press the printing, it will give you the printing mode. And for any, let us say if you are putting the watch glass, you want to make it a 0, then you put the tear, it becomes 0, and above that you put the 500 grams. You can see the 500 gram weight will be there approximately. Last digit will always be a variation, and I tell you, very easy to use. And then if you want to calibrate, I make it a calibration. You press it 3 seconds. The manual says everything. I show you 1, 2, 3. 1 means 500 gram. If you want to check it 500 gram, put it there, it becomes 500 calibration, then press it, then it will be calibrated, the 500 gram. This becomes 500 gram. If you want to, now if I take out this, it becomes 0, put it again, 500 grams, it shows you the 500 gram, almost last digit is 0.1. If you want to calibrate on any other weight, you have another weight, you can go with you can push it 3 seconds. 1 is 500, 2 is 1000, 3 is 1500, 4 is 2000, 5 is 2500, 6 is 3000, and I press it again, 7 is 3500. You can go with any calibration, or you can switch it off and then go back to same position. 1, 9 is 4500, all means 5000 gram. I can calibrate, or linear scale calibration. This is on 500 gram. Now I can switch off and on, and there is a manual which says how to calibrate, how to use. The adapter is there. Then there is a turning on and off calibration section. Then there is a other sections are there: weight, checking, tear, backlit, how to switch on and off, 0 tear, auto tear, other functions, full mode, taking RT 10 seconds, counting you can do with the PCs. Counting also can be done, percentage can also be done, printing you can take a print out of this section what has been done. RS232 is on the back side where you can take a printer. Sensor control is also in G series, not in this one. Then low voltage indication is also there, and then precautions to use accessories, troubleshooting, all these are also visible. You can do what are the different functions, and there is all these functions are there. Please visit the website, and you can send us an email, abron01@gmail.com or www.abronexports.com. Very easy to use. Please visit the website, and this spec comes in the packing. We have all the other balances also, digital balances and all laboratory instruments. Thank you very much.